In the last couple of weeks, we have seen considerable improvement in relations between India and China. The eastern Ladakh border disengagement, the Depsang and Damchok areas, which was pending for more than 4 years, has concluded just. Then India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Chinese President Xi Jinping at Kazan during the BRICS summit in Russia. And now India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has met Chinese Foreign Secretary Wang Yi, and they are discussing further improvement of ties between both the countries, which include resumption of Mansarovar Yatra and also people-to-people connect between India and China. So, what are the immediate reasons that China is so aggressively in favor of improving ties with India? The first factor, of course, is Russia. You know that Russia is at active war with the West for the last 2 years, and there is this axis being created between the Western and the Eastern axis, and the Eastern axis comprises of Russia, China, Iran, North Korea. And we all know that while we are not actively a part of this Eastern axis, because we are not still believing in any bloc politics, but our ties with Russia are pretty good, and Russia understands it that if Russia has to be taken as a serious partner in this Eastern Western bloc, then it needs the support of India, and that's why I think it is pushing China to improve its relations with India. The second reason is China's own economic slowdown. You see, post-COVID, most of the countries were able to recover. They were able to have their economic activity pre-COVID levels, but Chinese have not been able to do that. And there is a host of external and internal factors which are making the Chinese economy not able to grow back. So this is the second reason that China is improving its ties with India. They know that India is a big market, and if the ties between both the countries improves, then there might be an external stimulus to Chinese economy, which they get from India. The third reason is the US elections. So US President-elect Donald Trump will come to power in January 2025, and Mr. Trump has already announced that he would impose up to 60% of tariffs on trade with China, and this has serious implications for China, knowing that it is already going through an economic slowdown, and that's why China is improving further its relations with India. So these are some of the immediate factors which have forced China to make good relations with India. How far this goes, it need to be seen. But if you look closely, then in the short run, immediately these developments are also favorable to India, and this is the right time that India should make certain provisions in trade with China, so that this huge trade deficit that we have with China comes down.